Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video I'm going to present you a new robot. This robot is more action, is for the people that like to see a little more trades and want a little more action in their life. Yes, the robot is using martingale, so in that way it's a little more scary. The name of this robot is Alpha One Max. You can download this robot also, just use the link you see up here right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also included in the link is a promo code that gives you 50% on your first deposit. This is only if you deposit more than $100, so pay attention to that, okay? So like I said, this robot is using martingale, so yes, martingale can blow your account. Just be aware of that. But we have a strategy. I'm going to present this strategy for everyone that download. I'll put it inside the area where you download it. How you can build your account. Yes, it's some risk involved, but it's a way you can grow your account super fast. You withdraw some money, you grow again, withdraw some money. And yes, you might blow your accounts a few times, but you will win more often, okay? So this is a strategy we are going to use with this robot. So it's a little different, more action-wise robot. We are still going to use Alpha Master, of course, because that is our main robot, but this is more like an extra robot for ones that want to build accounts super fast and like a little more action. So that's the meaning with this robot, okay? So also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also below the video you'll find a link to my WhatsApp and Telegram community where I share all my forex trades and binary option trades. So if you have any interest about that, check it out. But now let's start up our new action robot called Alpha One Max. there we have it. We made 5 trades. The first 4 were losers. Completely okay. This is an action robot. Basically, I turn it to 30 seconds because we are targeting an area where we typically get some movement back in our correct direction. This I don't think will be a normal scenario where we lose so many in a row, but of course can happen. Of course, we see that. And you see when first turned, they turn way into profit for us. So in this case, we made a profit of $212. I'm super happy with that. I will come with a trading strategy, how you can build account and how you can do it the safe way, even when we are running a robot that is using martingale. Martingale is scary. So this is just an extra robot for the ones that want a little more action and want to grow their account maybe a little faster, because here you can take more trades and we have a little more action. And I will show you a plan how to build up account and how you should do it the correct way. This go to make some profit, withdraw some of the profit you're making, and always keep some of your profit for yourself. So if for some reason you explode your account, because that can happen when you use martingale, you have already secured your profit that is much higher than your deposit. So that's how we do it, okay? So I will make a plan for that a little later. But if you want to download this robot and start to build accounts super fast, of course, a little scary, but still super fast, just use the link you see up here right now and you can download this robot today, okay? The link will basically be the same like Alpha Master. I will just, you can just see Alpha Master and how to install this robot and all this good stuff. I will just post pictures for the specific settings for this robot, okay? I don't think I will need to make one more video showing how to set up this robot, because basically we'll use the same, everything is just the setting is different. I will just post a picture about that, okay? So with that, have an amazing day.